Yeah. Yo. Welcome, good morning. Welcome to Power Plays Palace. I am your host. Yes, sir. And it is Monday. So let's take a look at the chart. Boom. Alright. This is Spy Friday and today. So as you can see, Friday it opened up. Came up here at 692.31, which is a previous day high low. Tried to break, pull back, grab what we like to call liquidity because of what happened after this. It had to grab some liquidity because after that, it goes down to 689 and it works its way all the way back up to 695, even for the rest of the day. Had one strong pullback, another one you probably could have played, and another one you probably could have played right here. But after that, for the most part, it was all calls. So let's look at the chart for Friday. Alright, so here's the chart for Friday. And as you can see, we was looking for a breakout long above 690.94 with entry at 691.05 to 691.35. And with our stop below 690, and we're looking for 692.20, 693.40, and 695. And as you saw, we touched all those areas after we had the initial pullback. But once we came up, we broke that area 691. We started moving up. Then once we started to move up, we had this pullback down here to 691. See, it pulled all the way back right here to 691.29. And then it made the move up. And it went and touched every level from there. So it was overall a good day if you played on the call side. On the put side, because spot opened initially around 690, then it ran up the 692 area, then it pulled back to 689.18, and you may have been able to get in on that, but that would have been a high risk play. So may have, but we're gonna not look at that right now because the calls went all the way up and you should have a pretty good day. So let's look at what we have for today. Alright, y'all. This is our spy trade plan for today. So as y'all can see on the chart, first of all, let me pull the chart back up so y'all can see it. SPY has gapped down from Friday. So that's something you gotta definitely pay attention to. That is a pretty nice size gap down. That's just from looking at the chart, you can see that we're opening up way below where we were when we closed on Friday, up around the 695 area. So as you can see, we already have a gap down. So, alright, let's go back to the chart. Alright, so based on the chart and everything that we have going on, here's my plan for the day. If SPY breaks and hold above 690.42, I'm going to look to reclaim that long area and see if it can move back in between the 690.50, 690.80 area. And then with my stop loss, I set my stop loss at 689.90 with my target being 691.70, 693, and 695.20. And that's right there around close to the yesterday's high. So we would definitely want to see that. And that's yesterday, meaning Friday. But if SPY pushes in the 690.10 range, the 690.45 and start, I'm watching for a rejection short with my stop loss goes above 691 with my downside targets We're going to look at 689.40, 688.90, 688.20. And that's your spot fail to reclaim, the momentum and push up. So you want to be mindful of that. And so what I'll be doing, I'll wait for a good candle to close in my area above one of my zones or below my zone with that 5 minute candle, good, strong, nice living candle. Then I'll be able to jump in and try to stay disciplined. Sometimes we don't. We get a little gluey sometimes that can hurt you. Now I'm just gonna let you know that that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for that curl outside that zone, and then from there I'm gonna get in, and then we're gonna go from there. And that's your spot trade plan for the day. So we're gonna try to be bearish below 689.18, bullish above 690.42, and then we're gonna put everything between that. We're gonna trade them levels, and we're gonna follow our trend, and we're gonna do what we do. Now, if anything in this video any videos allowed you to grow, be prepared for the day as a trader, or made you better as a trader looking at how you view the chart, hey man, like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments. Appreciate everybody that's leaving comments and liking the videos. And hey, if you have some feedback or pointers, drop it off. But once again, the overhead power play during the day, our Discord. So if you want to join us, man, come on in and join us over at Power Plays. But that's our trade for the day, man. You have another Power Plays and have another good day. Because this Power Play Palace, man, when we drop the chart information and we break it down for you. So you have a nice day.